Hi everyone, it's Mr. Vesda, and I'm here with your letter of the day. Your letter of the day is going to be the first letter of the alphabet because this is our first time doing a letter of the day. So, when you check out the first letter of the alphabet, we call that letter A. Now, I have capital A here, and I'm also going to grab our lowercase a, which is right here. So we started talking about last week that every letter has a capital and a lowercase. And you did a really good job of telling me that this is what capital A looks like and this is what lowercase a looks like. Now, today, when we learn about our letter of the day, we are going to talk about what the capital and lowercase looks like we're doing now. We're going to talk about the sound that these letters make. We're going to take a look at some words that have the sound for the letter at the beginning of each word. And then we're going to go through and I'm going to show you how we write these words using a pencil the right way. So we have a lot of jobs with each letter, but it's going to be a lot of fun, and I can't wait to teach you all about each letter of the alphabet. So let's talk more about this letter A. Now, when we talk about the letter A, the sound that it makes is going to be ah. Can you say ah? Yeah, when I make the sound ah, my mouth opens up and um, it's this is what we call a vowel sound. Okay, the letter A is one of our vowels. So let's practice that 3 more times. Say ah, ah, and ah. Okay, that was a great job. Now, the next thing I want to do is take a look at some words that have letter A at the beginning. And in a lot of these words, we'll hear that ah sound. Okay, just hold on 1 second. Okay, when we take a look at this letter A, we're going to see some words that have it right at the beginning. So once again, here's capital A and here's lowercase a. So let's check out some of these words. Okay, our first word is acorn. Now, you heard me say that the letter A is a vowel. Each vowel has two sounds. The sound I showed you is ah, and that's the short sound, and that's the word or the sound we're going to work with the most. But sometimes with our vowels, you'll hear it say its name. You can hear A saying A at the beginning of acorn. Same with airplane. The word airplane starts with A. The word alligator starts with that ah sound, alligator. Very good. Let's take a look at a few more. Oh, all the letters in the alphabet. Alphabet starts with the letter A. Here's an anchor. Anchor starts with A. Here's an angel. The word angel starts with A. Ant is another word that starts with A. Here's a good one, apple. At the beginning of the word apple, you can hear the letter A making that short A sound, ah. Here's an apron, okay? Now we have an apron, you can hear the long A sound, A at the beginning of apron. The word arrow starts with A. Astronaut, we can hear that ah sound again at the beginning of astronaut. And then axe. Axe starts with ah, that short A sound. Now, when we took a look at our letter A words, we just went through 12 words that start with the letter A. Some of them have the ah sound, and some of them might have that long A sound where A is saying its name. So let's look at them one more time. Say acorn, say airplane, say alligator, say alphabet, say anchor, say angel, say ant, apple, apron, arrow, astronaut, and axe. All of these words start with the letter A. Now, our next job is going to be to practice writing each letter. And I'm going to take a couple minutes to show you how we make the capital and lowercase version of each letter the right way. So I'm going to take us over to the board so we can practice. Okay, here we are with our letter A. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to practice making some capital A's and we're going to practice making some lowercase a's. So let's start with the capitals first. When I make a big capital A, I start at the top and I make a line down. Then I pick my marker up, which will be a pencil for you, and I make another line down. Then I pick up again and I go to the middle of the A and I make a cross, a line that connects the two lines that I made up and down. Let's try that one more time. I'm going to go a little bit faster. One line down, pick up, one line down, pick up, a line across the middle. I'm going to show you one more time. One line down, pick up, one line down, pick up, and across the middle. Okay? Now, let's practice making an A with your pointer finger. So put your finger high in the sky, like mine is. Show me that you're ready. And let's make one line down, pick up, one line down, pick up, and then go across the middle to connect them. So that is how we make our capital A. I'm going to do the same thing where I made 3 capital A's in a row with our lowercase a. When I make a lowercase a, I'm going to start in the middle. I know I don't have lines up here, but you'll see it on your paper when you're practicing. The line in the middle, I'm going to make almost a circle shape around, but then when I finish the circle, I'm going to go up and then down to touch the bottom line for my lowercase a. Okay, so it's a circle around, up a little bit, and then down to touch the bottom. Let's make one more. Around and up and down to touch the bottom. Take your finger again, your pointer finger, and let's practice making a lowercase a this time. I'm going to go around and up and then down to touch the bottom. Try to picture your lowercase a in front of you as you draw it in the air. Around and up and down to touch the bottom. So, what we just did is I showed you how we should make our capital A and our lowercase a. You're going to do a little practice on your own with the letter A, so I hope you try to make them just like I did. Okay? Thank you very much, everyone, for learning about our letter A.